हेलो एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। आज हम एचपी टेट मेडिकल के लिए केमिस्ट्री के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ करेंगे। यह एमसीक्यूज़ आपके प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स में पूछे गए हैं, साथ ही कुछ न्यू एमसीक्यूज़ भी इसमें ऐड किए गए हैं। तो चलिए आज की क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं। अगर आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर गलत लगता है तो आप कॉमेंट सेक्शन में मैंशन कर सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज द अकॉर्डिंग टू डॉल्टन्स एटॉमिक थियरी द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल विच इज़ कैपेबल ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट एग्जिस्टेंस इज। ऑप्शंस आपके पास दिए गए हैं, एलिमेंट, एटम, मॉलिक्यूल या फिर आयन। करेक्ट आंसर इज द ऑप्शन नंबर बी। According to Dalton's atomic theory, the smallest particle which is capable of independent existence is atom. Option number B is the correct answer. Next question is the Bohr models of atom explains. Options are Zeeman effect, photoelectric effect, a Stark effect या फिर none of the above. Correct answer is the option number D, none of the above. Bohr models of atom explains none of the above. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द करेक्ट. Next question is the concept that atoms combine is small whole number ratio was proposed by. Options are Dalton, Avogadro, Gay-Lussac या फिर Berzelius. Correct answer is the option number A, Dalton. The concept that atom combine is a small whole number ratio proposed by Dalton. Option number A is the correct answer. Next question is the which of the following has the highest ionization energy. Options are transition elements, noble gases, inner transition elements या फिर platinum metals. Correct answer is the option number B. Noble gases has the highest ionization energy. Option number B is the correct answer. Next question is the which of the following has the lowest electron affinity. Options are nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen या फिर carbon. Correct answer is the option number A. Nitrogen has the lowest electron affinity. Option number A is the correct answer. Next question is the alpha rays consist of a stream of. Options are hydrogen ion, helium ions, only electrons या फिर only neutrons. Correct answer is the option number B. Alpha rays consist of a stream of helium ions. Option number B is the correct answer. Next question is the a device used for the measurement radioactivity is. Options are mass spectrometer, cyclotron, nuclear reactor या फिर GM counter. Correct answer is the option number D. A device used for the measurement radioactivity is GM counter. Option number D is the correct answer. Next question is the group displacement law given by. Options are Becquerel, Rutherford, Soddy and Faison या फिर Mendeleev. Correct answer is the option number C. The group displacement law was given by Soddy and Faison. Option number C is the correct answer. Next question is the emission of a beta particle by an atom and element result in the formation of. Options are isotope, isomer, isomorph या फिर isobar. Correct answer is the option number D. Isobar is the correct answer. Emission of a beta particle by an atom of element result in the formation of isobar. Isobar is the correct answer. Option number D is the correct. Next question is the which is different in isotopes of an element. Options are atomic number, mass number, number of protons या फिर number of electrons. Correct answer is the option number B. Mass number is different in isotopes of an element. बार बार यह क्वेश्चन घुमा फिरा के एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है. ऑलमोस्ट हर बार आइसोटोप्स, आइसोटोन्स, आइसोबार्स यह क्वेश्चन जो है यह रिपीट होता है, इसलिए आप इस क्वेश्चन को ठीक से कर लें और आइसोटोप्स, आइसोटोन्स और आइसोबार की जो डेफिनेशंस हैं उनको भी आप अच्छे से कर लें. ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज़ द करेक्ट, मास नंबर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ atomic nucleus into nearly 2 equal parts is known as? Options are fusion, decay, fission या फिर radioactivity. Correct answer is the option number C. Fission is the correct answer. The splitting of atomic nucleus into nearly 2 equal parts is known as fission. Option number C is the correct. Next question is the neutrons are ghost particles that have almost options are no weight, no electrical charge, both या फिर none. Correct answer is the option number C. Neutrons are ghost particles that have almost no weight and no electrical चार्ज. ऑप्शन नंबर ए एंड बी दोनों जो हैं वह करेक्ट हैं, इसलिए जो सी ऑप्शन है वह करेक्ट हो जाएगा. ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द अ न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन मस्ट बी बैलेंस्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ ऑप्शन आर मास, एनर्जी, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स या फिर मास एंड एनर्जी. करेक्ट आंसर इज द ऑप्शन नंबर डी. A nuclear reaction must be balanced in terms of mass and energy. Option number D is the correct. Next question is the half-life of a radioactive element depends on. Options are amount of element, pressure, temperature या फिर none. Correct answer is the option number D. None of the above जो है वह आंसर हो जाएगा. The half-life of a radioactive element depends on. यह तीनों ही जो ऑप्शन है वह गलत दिए गए हैं, इसलिए ऑप्शन नंबर D is the correct answer. Next question is the nuclear particles responsible for holding the nucleus together are. Options are electron, mesons, neutrons या फिर positron. Correct answer is the option number B. Nuclear particles responsible for holding the nucleus together are mesons. Option number B is the correct answer. Next question is the which of the following is not an organic source of energy. Options are coal, wood, uranium या फिर natural gas. Correct answer is the option number C. Uranium is not an organic source of energy. Option number C is the correct answer. Next question is the hydrogen bomb is based on the principle of. Options are nuclear fission, nuclear fusion, nuclear explosion या फिर chemical reaction. Correct answer is the option number B. Hydrogen bomb is based on the principle of nuclear fusion. Option number B is the correct answer. Next question is the positron is nearly as heavy as. Options are alpha particles, protons, neutrons, protons, electrons या फिर deuterons. Correct answer is the option number C. The positron is nearly as heavy as electrons. Option number C is the correct answer. Next question is the substances like heavy water which control the speed of neutron in a nuclear reactor are called. Options are chain breakers, inert chemicals, moderators या फिर inhibitors. Correct answer is the option number C, moderators. Substances like heavy water which control the speed of neutrons in a nuclear reactors are called moderators. Option number C is the correct answer. Then last question is the Madame Curie was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics. She was again awarded Nobel Prize in 1911 for the discovery of. Options are radioactivity, radium, uranium या फिर nuclear fission. Correct answer is the option number B, uranium. Option number B, radium is the correct answer. Madame Curie was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics. She was again awarded Nobel Prize in 1911 for the discovery of radium. Option number B is the correct answer. ये HP टेट मेडिकल के लिए केमिस्ट्री के कुछ क्वेश्चंस थे, तो आप इन क्वेश्चंस को देख सकते हैं और अपने आप को एनालाइज कर सकते हैं कि आपकी प्रिपरेशन कितनी बेटर हुई है. अगर आपको क्लास अच्छी लगी हो तो चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.